Did you know that 90% of professional taxi drivers in South Africa choose the exact same 3 cars? Here's what they know that you don't. When your livelihood depends on your car running every single day, you don't buy for looks, you buy for survival. Fleet managers told us the sweet spot is a 2012 to 2016 Toyota Camry. These cars can hit 500,000 kilometers and still purr like new. The math is brutal. Over 300,000 kilometers, a Camry costs 8 cents per kilometer in repairs. A BMW or Mercedes, 23 cents per kilometer. That's the difference between profit and bankruptcy for a taxi driver. This is the taxi test principle. If someone who makes money from their car chooses it, it's probably a life cycle winner. While you're worried about image, they're worried about putting food on the table. That beat-up Camry in the taxi rank isn't just transport. It's a money machine that's proven itself in the real world. Stop buying status, start buying what actually works.